We're looking today at the value of artificial selection. What we need to remember is that artificial selection, although it has a very modern sounding name, is thousands and thousands of years old. As soon as humans discovered that they could domesticate animals, either to use them to breed for food, to use them for transport, to use them to provide protection and security, or even just companionship, as soon as animals could be domesticated, humans realized that they could improve on the functionality of that animal by artificial selection. And they certainly didn't call it artificial selection thousands of years ago. It was simply that they were taking an animal that had a characteristic that they wanted, and they would breed it with other animals showing the same characteristic. This, as we know, is artificial selection. And it has been around for thousands and thousands of years. So therefore, humans must have recognized the value of it very, very long ago. All of our domesticated pets, as well as our animals that we use for food, have all been bred through thousands of years of artificial selection. Farmers and breeders practice selective inbreeding and selective outbreeding by deliberately choosing characteristics possessed by different individuals and controlling the mating or crossing of these organisms. We need to understand that in natural selection, this idea of control is lacking. The organisms are going to be produced as a result of natural selection. Here in breeding and in farming, the farmer is going to control the characteristics and therefore control the mating. Domestic cattle, sheep, and poultry are often selectively outbred until the desired offspring is obtained. So there will be outbreeding, and then the farmer will say, these hens are laying super large eggs. I have my desired tray. And then, after that tray has been bred into the family, the flock, the herd, then an inbreeding program will be the result, and lots of the organisms carrying the same tray will be bred. The aim of farmers and breeders when they are breeding both crops as well as herds and animals, flocks, their aim is to produce better and better varieties of the animals. This animal, we can see this bull is highly muscled. It has a great deal of meat on it. And so a farmer would mate this bull with cows that are similarly well built, that have a great deal of meat producing potential. And in this way, this farmer can increase the productivity of his herd. Likewise, the farmer that is producing little pumpkins like this, and the farmer that is producing massive pumpkins like this, they are going to be no competition for each other. This pumpkin is far more going to bring the farmer far more in terms of financial return. And so the farmer would want to breed pumpkins that are prize winners and that are so huge, just like this bull is going to be a prize-winning bull. As human understanding of variation and inheritance have increased, so have the techniques around artificial selection. Humans are instrumental in controlling evolution of populations, if you really think about it.